Perfect. Okay, for question 2, it says define the following and give 2 examples of each. So we have a real image and a virtual image. So I've written down the definition because it can all be found on page 174. So let me first look at the definition first. So a real image is an image that can be captured on a screen. So things from your projector, okay, projector, like your cinema projection, okay, image on our eyes, okay, our eye, images in our eye. All these are actually real images. Okay, now how do we know whether it's a real image or not? Okay, I just want to explain a bit more using the second part. It is an image where light rays meet at the image point. So imagine this is the principal axis. This is the lens. Okay, I have a light ray going through the optical center and going straight through. I have another light ray that comes like this and passes like this. Sorry, let me erase this part. Okay, and it goes like this. Now, do you realize that my light rays, okay, that's coming from a point, right, both coming from the same point, cuts over here. So this is the point. Let me use a different color. So at this point, okay, this is my image position. And you realize that this image position is formed when my light rays meet. Okay, so the image formed due to these two light rays would be what we consider a real image. Now, how about virtual image? Right, so it says a virtual image is an image that cannot be captured on a screen. It's an image where light rays do not meet at the image position. Okay, so before I go into examples, maybe I just want to draw the similar diagram that, okay, for you to imagine. Okay, so I have a light. So imagine this is a point where the object is. Okay, um, the light ray cuts like this. Sorry, we draw this part. Okay, the one of the light ray traveled like this and then like this. The other one is like this. You realize that the light rays are what we call diverging. So they are spreading out wider and wider. Okay, so they will never meet over here. But if we trace it back, we trace the image back, realize, oh, okay, sorry, let me redraw this part. It's a little bit ugly. Okay, so at this particular point, right, that's where the image position is. Okay, so this is where the image position is. Now, but what you realize is that the light rays, these two dotted lines that I draw, they are not the real light rays. Okay, they are just a projected light ray. These solid lines that I draw here, these are the real light rays. So these two dotted lines is sort of like a projection of the light rays. So my image is actually formed over here. Okay, my image is formed over here. So because the light rays do not meet at the image position, so we consider this as a virtual image. Okay, I'm spending a little bit of time to explain this virtual and real image thing because it is quite important for you to know roughly how to determine whether it's real or virtual, okay, based on the light rays that you have drawn. So a few examples of virtual images, okay. So what we're gonna have, first one is actually magnifying glass. Okay, so images formed by magnifying glass are actually virtual images. Another one is actually is telescope. But to be very precise, it's not just any telescope, it's actually the eyepiece lens of a telescope. Okay, eyepiece lens. Sorry, let me write this up. Eyepiece lens of a telescope. Okay, so this will be for part 2 to explain a bit more about real and virtual images.